Thank you, Juan, for downloading the app. Here's how it works. It's the Fit app by Wix, and that's your message coming through here. So let me show you how to book. So it's really simple. Just hit the schedule, okay? And if you wanted to do, like, say, kickboxing, you were doing it tomorrow or the next day. Let's say they go to Tuesday because you're already here. So I want to hit book under 9 a.m. adult fitness. Okay, and that's going to ask you to confirm, and then you hit book now, and that's it. You're done. It's simpler than using the website. Okay, so we're going to go there. Now, as far as your videos, what I do every Friday, I put it up on the blog section here, and you can kind of like, and I'll give you a direct link. It goes out every Saturday, but let's say you go here to. It should get right here. Here's the workouts. Like, some people want to do weight training. If you go here under the blog, I have a 30-day. I revamp it every couple days, and we add to the workouts. And after 30 days, we start all over. So it tells you the warm-ups. I even give you videos. It's a little slow here where I'm at, but there'll be a video here you can watch and have a tutorial on how to do those workouts. Okay, so if you don't know how to lift weights and you have a few dumbbells, you don't need anything major. I have dumbbells in the studio as well, and we go through this, but you can actually work out at home and get the benefit of having actual training, like you have a coach right there. See, there's me, and I'm okay. All right, now for the kickboxing, you'll see it here, weekly kickboxing curriculum. So if you tap that, okay, and you're going to see right here, the workouts we're doing. So tomorrow, here's our warm-up. Here's the particular exercise we're doing, as well as, what we're doing the next day, the warm-ups, and the actual techniques we're doing. These are reference videos, so you kind of understand what's going to happen that day, and you kind of are prepared for it, okay? That should answer all your questions there. If there's anything else, let me know.